That was a huge, huge fail. Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tool in Hand, if Dumb and Dumber was a tool channel. Anyway, let's get started. Now, I have this set here. It is the bearing kit for the front wheels of this thing. This right here. This riding mower. All right, now what you got here are your bearings, main thing. These are sealed bearings, which means that it helps prevent dirt from getting in there. They are flanged, so they go in one way. If you try to beat them that way in, it's not going to end well. You have your washers right here. 2 different sizes, 6 different washers. 2 large for smaller ones. You'll be able to tell when you take the wheel off. And then 4 E-clips, C-clips, whatever you want to call them. I don't know why it came with 4, maybe for spares. That's awesome. And also instructions, but we know what we do with those. First thing you want to do is put your mower in park. Put the brake on. However you got to do it. Extra precaution, throw a wheel chock behind the mower. And if you don't have a mower jack, just jack it up from this point. Nice and straight, so you don't bend that. On there, there we go. First off, we gotta get this dust cap off. Oh, this guy does not want to come off. There we go. All right, let's clean that up. Clean that up so we can see this E-clip. I'm going to call it an E-clip. You call it whatever you want. Just don't call it easy to work on. I got a cotter pin in here. Okay. I can dig it. Uh-oh, don't tell me I can't use this kit. Uh-oh. That would suck. There we go. See, now I question if I can even use this kit. See? That right there. That right there looks like bushings on that side, not necessarily on that side. I wonder. Let's clean this off, see what we got. Cotter pin. There's no way to put an E-clip. That one bushing is plastic? What the hell? Yikes, with a big Y. Let me knock that out and see what I can do with it. Okay. This sucker's a plastic bearing. Plastic bushing. Jeez. And that won't fit. This is awesome. All right. Pound this back in. Well, that was a waste of time. Let's put this back on. Oh. Special washer, too. Look at that. This is not the bearing kit we're looking for. So, huge fail. Have to find the bearing kit for this. Have to get more grease for this thing. So I can grease up these bushings. Plastic bushings. Oh my God. Come on, Craftsman. You are getting really chintzy. Anyway, But let me take care of all that off camera. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.